In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and share your community link on Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your Microsoft Teams account. And if you have communities that you created, go to communities here. And this will list all the communities that you have. Currently, I only have this one community. To get the link for this community so that I can share it with my friends, just tap on this more option here. And you can see we have an option here for share join link. By clicking on it, now we shall have a link displayed for the community. I'll just click on copy and now go and share it with anyone. So whoever will give this link and enter it will be able to join that community. So that's how you can find and share a community link in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.